Welcome back to the Daily Blessing. Today, we focus on the healing power of God to make everything new again. Our comforting word for today is restoration. We turn to one of the most beloved scriptures in the Roman Catholic Bible, the 23rd Psalms, verse 3. This is the premise of complete spiritual and emotional repair. Let's turn to the 23rd Psalms, verse 3. And it reads like this: He restores my soul. He leads me in path of righteousness for his name's sake. The word restoration means God will repair, renew, and bring back to a perfect condition anything that has been broken, lost, or depleted. This is a promise for your soul, your mind, your will, and your emotions. If you are weary, wounded, or discouraged, God specializes in making you whole again. This is a powerful source of positive energy because it means you do not have to settle for feeling broken. God is actively working to bring you to a place of perfect health and well-being. He leads you not just to a destination, but to the very paths of righteousness that ensures your safety and spiritual growth. In our daily lives, we deal with minor burns and hurt, disappointment, betrayal, or simple burnout. These things drain life from our souls. Today's blessing reminds you that you have a shepherd who is attentive to your well-being and always ready to provide comfort and repair. Today, turn to God and ask for restoration in one specific area, maybe your patience, your energy, or a strained relationship. Humbly submit that part of your soul to His healing touch. Trust that because He is your shepherd, He will guide you wholeness and lead you on the blessed path. Today, receive your full restoration. Your soul is being healed, renewed, and led toward the perfect place. That is your blessing for today. Now, let's share the healing. Subscribe to the Daily Blessing and share this message with someone who is seeking emotional or spiritual renewal today. God bless you. I'm Kauru. I'll see you next time.